Tiff.
My daughter won't unblock me unless I came to apologize to you.
Seriously?
I am sorry for everything I've done and for treating you like human garbage all these years.
Tiff, I'm not the one you should be trying to make things right with. There's enough room for all of us. We don't need to fight with each other.
You're right. I am really sorry for everything.
Apology accepted. Never let a guest leave without a gift. Hang on.
That is
Wait 1 second.
so cute.